The top 5 staffing agencies for Los Angeles accounting firms. Courtesy of FPA Technology Services Guide. 12 ways for CPA firms in LA to utilize technology more efficiently.
According to a recent U.S. Department of Labor Bureau of Labor Statistics survey, California has the highest level of employment in the accounting and auditing field. Los Angeles accountant staffing firms are extremely busy. Los Angeles ranks second in terms of employment levels in the accounting field, trailing only to New York City. Granted, there are over 244,000 businesses in LA, and a quarter of all the people who live in Los Angeles are either in the legal, accounting, or advertising industries, so there's a lot of business to be had for recruiting firms. Let's take a look at the 5 of the best accounting staffing firms for Los Angeles. Parker & Lynch. You could almost wrap up a top 5 list with the staffing companies associated with Parker & Lynch. With 3 locations in Los Angeles, others in Burbank, Irvine, and throughout the U.S., Parker & Lynch can source top talent for your personnel requirements. They provide staffing for roles including accounting and finance, legal technology, and staff augmentation and other consulting services. Parker & Lynch's sister company, Accounting Principles, has several Los Angeles-based offices in its own right, and both companies have been involved in a number of mergers and acquisitions. Parker & Lynch and Accounting Principles are divisions of staffing services giant Adecco Group, which has a broad reach and can line up suitable candidates for a wide spectrum of roles. Stephen James Associates. Another member of a group of leading staffing companies, Stephen James Associates has a recruiting office in Los Angeles and many more across the U.S. and Canada. Part of the Allegis Group, Stephen James Associates has specialized in accounting and finance staffing for over 20 years. It has sister recruiting companies and staffing across technology, engineering, legal, and marketing. Stephen James won 2014's Best of Staffing Awards based on both talent and client satisfaction surveys. They have a referral-based recruiting system which is unique among accounting and finance staffing companies. Hiring their services will yield qualified candidates, not just stacks of resumes. Robert Half International. With 3 locations in the Los Angeles area and about 400 offices worldwide, Robert Half is unquestionably a leader in accounting and finance staffing in Southern California. With over 60 years of experience in professional staffing, Robert Half is focused on providing recruiting for professionals in accounting, finance, taxation, and related consulting disciplines. Some well-known divisions of Robert Half include Accountemps and Robert Half Finance and Accounting. Robert Half also has other brands which include staffing for technology, creative, legal, and administrative services. If you're looking for entry-level or temporary tax season bookkeeping assistance, Accountemps can provide you with fully vetted, qualified candidates which you can try before you hire full-time. Kforce. With 3 offices in the greater Los Angeles area, Kforce provides a broad spectrum of accounting staffing services ranging in such roles as operational and technical accounting, strategic consulting services, and transactional accounting. Kforce has an impressive portfolio of clients and many favorable reviews from their candidates. If you're looking to get placed in a Fortune 500 company with an office in Los Angeles, Kforce has developed a sophisticated staffing methodology to ensure you can select and onboard an ideal new hire for your organization. The Lucas Group. For over 40 years, the Lucas Group has been providing staffing services for accounting roles across the U.S. The Lucas Group provides Los Angeles accountant staffing to mid-sized businesses up to local Fortune 500 corporations. They also provide related services in complementary fields, including legal, technology, manufacturing, and human resources. The Lucas Group primarily recruits at the executive level. However, they work with entry and mid-level candidates as well. The bottom line. This is certainly not an exhaustive list of all firms which provide staffing services in Los Angeles. However, it does cover many of the top providers in the area. If you're looking to staff up your accounting firm before the start of tax season, one of these providers may be able to help. Have you had success using a Los Angeles-based accounting staffing firm? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And to follow through on the tips introduced in the short article, be sure to download your free guide, 12 Ways for CPA Firms in LA to Utilize Technology More Efficiently.
You can download a copy of this guide while it's still available at techguideforlacpas.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about the top 5 staffing agencies for Los Angeles accounting firms.